Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV up in here.
Does that make it worse? You not play with me, dog. Me know my right, me know my laws. Me know my laws in this. Oh, no play with me, brother. Okay. You not play with me. I know blood class, somebody nice, you not play with me. Let me get my own. I didn't sit with me now. I work for nobody out there, brother. Don't tell me later. Can't see man broke on this, you know them bum buckler time. Can't see man broke on this, you know them a time. I can hold up a man money, brother. Eh? Brother, me not have nobody, you know. Me not get help like you know. Me not have government for go to help, you know. Don't play with me, dog. And me alone in this. USA, you stand alone, and me alone I stand up in this blood clot. And me not have a soul. Okay, so don't play with me, dog. Me not have a family member. Me one in this. Okay. No play with me, dog. No play with me, you. Give me my money, dog. Me not nobody me can go ask nothing, you know. Different from the internet, you know. So okay, no play with me, you, please. And that's why I try to work for my own. And I do when I try to work for your own, people are bum buckler, pussy up a thing, and I take it for you, that, brother. Me not nobody pussy up me thing, dog. Me not nobody a pussy up me thing, my pitney. So me not pussy up nobody thing, brother. Telling you know, you might know Quincy, you know, but you don't know me, you know. Okay. Okay. I'm not wrong smart enough to play with, dog. You call Quincy and tell him when he come to my money, me not play. I'll Quincy me this. Okay. Anybody who me no play. Yes, me don't play that. That's why me don't borrow, me rather come beg. Because when you borrow, you need to pay back. That is, or when you owe somebody, you need to pay up. And that's why me don't do those stuff. Brother, because look at now, me there at this and want my blood clot, man. Broke, I'm fucking hungry right now. You can't tell me, wait till tonight. You call me and I say, wait till tonight. Brother, don't play with me, out. Me come out there, come stab up one on brother. Now tell me about tonight, but big man. Me work for my own. Now tell me about tonight. Now tell me about tonight. Tonight what? Eh? Me I go somewhere, I tell me about tonight. Me not link nobody in no night, brother. Me not do night mission. Me not link people in a night. Not tell me about no tonight. Not tell me that a blood clot. Me not want to hear that. Me right now, me want to hear you right now if you come pick it up. Me feel like that them a call me, boy. If you come pick it up, you come call me and tell me about tonight. Brother, what was hard enough for the rise 160? 160 and nothing. On the good on the bank the near what save on the day. I what save on the rise money give me dog. Nobody play with me, you. In the clean in the face I don't know me, but in the door know me. Nobody play with me. When you feel like you don't know me, but in the door fucking know me means I all dirty junk. Don't play with me. You can't want work man and I want blood clot give me money, brother. I can't tell me tonight, suppose me dead for hungry. I gotta tell me tonight. Don't tell me not tonight, brother. I need it now. Something can happen between them hours right now. I need money right now, brother. But tell me tonight, right now me I come feed. Right now me I come feed, brother. Right now. 3 o'clock, me wait to 3 o'clock. Good more time. That time so me can't find 160 by 3 o'clock. Eh? I hate the last day gun, man. Now what the fuck? Pay me money, dog. Me come, yo. But man, me come ring some couple binds out there, brother. So feel like a laughing thing, bad man. A laughing thing, dog. Cause that no one for do for go rise up and thing, brother. Now wash up pot. All them big bum buckler every pot the man I wash you out. I don't want to come pay man name money bad man. Now wash pot, dishes and something dog. Me do 2 days up, you see me? I'm say alright, I look at change. You see me? Me there so yesterday I could have called you. I people them have a life by me yesterday, you see me? Could have a call you know, but I said make it bill. Now wait till them call me. If you go come do more days, I know so you can add up. But me realize say yo, a joking thing I can tell man about stand by like me a police. You understand me I say? So me say a joke thing brother. So me I go look to somebody send me to something say me alright. Me say me I get up, collect money, get a cup of coffee, take the train and go about my blood clot business. You see me? And go deal with the 2 applications where somebody said me about the 2 restaurant there. No, you can tell me say yo, me link you. Cashier come tell me say, you know say in a day if we wait 30 minutes. Me know say I craft that. So me say alright, me turn up and wait. You see me? Cashier come back, you know. Say, you know saying sick and instead of come back to later, check him to later. I said, Jesus Christ, Father God. Craft is my craft me, you know. You see me? So I say, okay then, come back later. Now you're going to come call me and say, oh, if you come tonight, feel. Come back on tonight, brother. Me not come tonight, dog. No, me need money, dog. Me need money. You want to call me and tell me to come tonight. Me not nobody tell me to come now tonight, brother. Me need money, dog. I'm going to survive 3 days. Eh? I'm going to blood class survive 3 days. When you think about that, when you think about others, and I think about phony thing, how me I go survive 3 days? Pay me money, dog. I don't like a whole heap of money. I like it's a band. I don't like it's a band. You hold me bad, man. It's a little change. It's not like it's a band when I say alright. It's a 1,000. Not even 1,000 people.